Students, do you know the Usmle Step 1 exam, since it has become pass and a fail, the pass percentage for 2021 and comparing it with 2022 has decreased by about 8%. So it appears that exam has become difficult. Contrary to the common notion that since the exam will become pass and a fail, it has become easy, it's otherwise. And which is why you need to find a strategy to crack Usmle Step 1 in first attempt. So here are 3 ways where you can clear the Usmle Step 1 in first attempt. First, you need to find the bridge between your medical school knowledge to the Usmle journey. Find a platform which will take you from your medical college preparation to the Usmle level of preparation. Second, and most important, is to always solve question on a time mode. What we have realized that students solving questions on a time mode are on a fight and a flight mode and tend to do actual mistakes which they were to do in a pressure environment. So always solve questions on a time mode. And the third and another important factor is to incrementally increase the testing time of your daily practice. For example, if you are solving 1 block a day in a week, from next week onwards start solving 2 blocks and so on. Your actual examination is 7 blocks and 8 hours. So it is important to build your stamina, physical as well as mental, in order to survive that 8-hour long examination. So students who practice all those 4 hours, 5 hours NBME examinations, self-assessment, ultimately are able to succeed in this Step 1 examination. These are the 3 factors which will make sure you are passing the Step 1 exam in first attempt. For many such tips and engaging content, do subscribe to the MOKSH Academy channel and follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you.